Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can download Fortnite on Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open any browser and search here Fortnite download, as I am doing. Click on search and open the first website or second. So I'm going to open the second one. Once you open that website, so you can see that it is loading, so wait for a few seconds. Okay, and then you need to click on get. So you need to sign up with the Epic Games. Once you sign up, you simply need to download that game into your smartphone with the, you can see that download now and start playing. You simply need to click on three bars in the top right. Okay, and click on play instantly and click on Android. So now it is searching. Okay, so click on get it on the Epic Games. Okay, then you need to click on download anyway. So once you download, you can simply enjoy the Fortnite on your smartphone. So this is the process by which you can download Fortnite. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.